Alright, in this quick breakdown, we're comparing Canva and Photoshop, just to help you figure out which design tool actually fits what you're trying to create. So, starting with ease of use. Canva is super simple with drag and drop tools and tons of templates. Photoshop is much more advanced, and yeah, it takes time to learn, but the control you get is on a completely different level. When it comes to capabilities, Canva is perfect for quick graphics, social posts, presentations, stuff you want done fast. Photoshop handles everything from photo manipulation to digital painting, so it's made for deep, detailed editing. For features, Canva gives you templates, stock images, and AI tools that speed up the workflow. Photoshop gives you layers, masks, brushes, filters, all the pro tools you need when you want total control. Collaboration is easier on Canva because everything is cloud-based and team-friendly. Photoshop can work with cloud files too, but it's more of a traditional, hands-on editing tool for solo creators or pros. And for pricing, Canva is definitely more affordable, and the free version is already strong. Photoshop costs more since it's part of Adobe's subscription model, but you're paying for a professional-grade tool. So which one is better? If you want fast, clean designs without learning a bunch of complex tools, Canva is the better pick. But if you want serious editing power and pro-level results, Photoshop is still the standard. And yeah, that wraps it up. Hopefully this helped you decide, and feel free to check out the next comparison for more quick guides.